Hey everyone, welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. In this session, we will be learning about inserting PDF in Excel. But before we begin, let me tell you guys that we have daily updates on multiple technologies. So, if you're a tech geek in a continuous hunt for latest technological trends, then consider getting subscribed to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. Now, without further ado, let's get started with our one-point agenda, that is how to insert PDF in Excel. Now, there are multiple ways to insert a PDF into Excel, so we will go through a couple of ways. First is, here, let us imagine that we wanted to insert some PowerPoint presentation in PDF format into our Excel sheet, so that it belongs to Excel Basics. Now click on the cell where you want to add the PDF, or just click any cell in the Excel spreadsheet, then go to the option of Insert in the toolbar. Then navigate to Text option, click on it and select Object. And here you can select Create from File and then you can browse. And here you have your Excel Basics PDF in my documents. Click on that, select Insert. So here you can just press OK and the PDF will be inserted. Now you can minimize the size of PDF to fit the cell. There you go, the PDF got successfully inserted into your Excel spreadsheet. Now let's discuss about the second way. Now the second way is completely same. The only difference is you can add some logo to your PDF. So you can see it has been added in direct form of a PDF, like what's the first slide of the PPT. But instead of that, if you wanted to highlight it as an icon, then you can select the display as icon button here and press OK. Now you don't have to reformat the size of your PPT or PDF. All you have to do is add the logo to your PDF and it will also include the title. So this is another way of adding PDF to your Excel sheet. Now another way. So a few times you don't want the first page of the PDF to be visible or any kind of logo of that PDF reader to be visible on your spreadsheet. Sometimes all you want is some dedicated image or a dedicated logo, right? So this time let's try to add a dedicated image to our PDF. So go to Insert again. Here you can see the illustrations option. Click on Picture and from this device. So I will select the Simplilearn's logo and now you have to resize the logo a little bit to fit the cell. There you go. You can click on the right click button and select the option of link. Now select the existing file or web page option. So if you are interested to learn more on hyperlink in Excel, we have a dedicated tutorial on that. Please go through hyperlinks in Excel by Simplilearn, which will explain you everything about hyperlinks in Excel, how to insert them, different types of documents to be inserted and how it works in real time. For now, let's try to insert the existing web page and go to Documents, navigate to Documents, and inside this you have the Excel Basic PDF. Click on OK and it has been added to your image. So when you click on it, it will open the PDF document attached to it. So when you hover over to the cell, you can see it will ask you a permission. Do you want to continue or not? Just click on this, ignore the warning. So you can see the PDF has been successfully opened. So with that, we have come to an end of this tutorial on how to insert PDF in Excel. If you have any queries regarding any of the topics covered in this session, or if you require the resources that we used in this session, then please feel free to let us know in the comment section below and our team of experts will be more than happy to resolve all your queries at the earliest. Until next time, thank you, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.